Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. This video is all about ClickUp automation tutorial. Here we will see how we can automate different tasks on ClickUp and how we can save our time with the help of this feature. The purpose of using automation is that the ClickUp will do a lot of tasks on its own without you doing it manually. Like if you tell that if you receive a mail from any client, just send a notification to us, it would do it for you, or you can just simply customize automation according to your choice. As it says by its name, automation, that means anything happening on its own automatically, you not doing it manually. That's why this feature is called automation, because ClickUp do different tasks. So using this option and this platform ClickUp is very easy and very simple. First you have to go to the browser and there you have to search for ClickUp, or you can find its link in the description below. Just have to simply click onto that link or this link, and after that you will get onto its website. There it will take like a minute to load, and once it's done you will see different kind of content on your screen. So this interface is called everything. You may have different interface based on what you have to open at the last. So the automation appears on the right, but sometimes it does not appear, so you just have to go to different pages. You just have to try and just simply click on different options, and once you see this automation option you can just simply use this one. So this is the option automation. You just have to simply click onto it and after that it will open. If you have made any automations before, you can see there. If they are active then they will be there, otherwise they will be in the inactive session. So you have to click onto this option add automation to create a new one. So there we have two options. In one you have to tell it what happens, and in then you have to tell it then what you have to do. Let's say in when you tell it that if the task gets completed then you have to mark it as complete. So this it will do on its own whenever a task gets completed. So there you have to choose an option, and after that there you have to choose what will be the result of this option. You can choose any option of your choice. Some of the options have sub options like this one which says change status, but unfortunately I don't have any option for change status. That's why it is not accepting it. If I add any option it would not do it. So for that what I have to do is that I have to change this option, or I couldn't go and add different options for statuses. So if you do and get the same option, then you have to go back and then add different option to statuses. Otherwise, for example, we will change it. This time I'm going to add another option which has the options that are already added it here. Therefore I'm going to option this one which says create a task, and in create a task I have to add an option manually, or I can choose from these written below options. It's all up to you, whatever option you would like to go with as your per choice you can choose that. And once you have selected you can scroll down and there you will see that we have other options. So some of the options have sub options and some of them does not. It's based on their nature of question. And once you're done just simply click onto this create option, and after that the automation will be created. There you can see we have four, before we had three. And there you can see this is the first one, but if you scroll down then you will see this last option which says when comment is added then create a task. Either you can delete it, you can duplicate it, you can edit it, or you can just simply inactivate it, and after that it will be added into an active section. So let's create another automation and let's see how it turns out. This time I'm going with different options that I chose before. Therefore I'm going this one which says due date arrives, and in then option I will choose another one which says track time, so that whenever due date arrives it could track the time. And once it done I could also add some of these options which are sub option. Like here it asks me to add any time manually, so for that we just have to simply add any time. Here it could be any time. So for example I'm just going to add this option which is below there which says 8 hours a day, and add, and after that you can see that we have this option create. Once I click onto it it gets created. Later on you can just simply do other options like you can edit it, or you can just simply inactivate if you don't need it any longer. So by doing this it gets inactive and it will get added into inactive session. If you want to activate it again you can just do that by just simply clicking onto that option. So using ClickUp and its feature automation is super easy and useful. You don't have to go and do anything manually. It will do everything on its own, like automatically. So to use automation in ClickUp, first you have to go to the browser and there you have to search for ClickUp, or you can find its link in the description below. Either you can go with a link in the description below, or you can just simply get the link from the results. Once you click onto that link, you will get onto its website. There you have to make sure that you already have created an account and you're also logged in with your account. Then after that, on the right side of the screen, you will see this option automation. In automation, we have two options, when and then. In when, you have to choose that what happens, and in then you have to tell it what actions you have to take against it. Once you choose both of these options as per your choice, you will get automation. Later on, you can save it and you can just simply customize it according to your choices. Later on, you can just simply use it and you may active or inactivate it according to your choices. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. In case if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. And I really appreciate you watching this video till the very end, and thank you so much for it.